Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzenwood, Food Forest Design, Minnesota, and just a quick video, just to give a shout out. I was on this morning, I was on a podcast with Nino Pingera and the Strive for a Good Life podcast. And I just want to give him a shout out. We recorded the podcast today, and it should be coming out probably in about a month. He will let me know. But I just want to focus on the podcast for a minute where we dove deep into the world of entrepreneurship and without sacrificing your soul. And in this 45-minute conversation, we explore the secrets to building a successful business while prioritizing the most precious things in your life, you know. And I share my journey of, including the struggles and the stumbling blocks and hurdles I overcame to where I got my start and how I arrived to where I'm at now. And we did discuss different strategies on marketing, things that will unlock your potential to have greater freedom and abundance. And well, it will be released in about a month's time. He's going to let me know. So I will post the podcast once it is released, but I want to give a shout out to Nino, and I will have a link in the description below this video to go check out his podcast on Spotify. And I will have a link to that. And hey, everybody, please like, subscribe, comment on this video, and share this video. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm only about 30 away, so help me out. I want to get there. The channel's been growing the past few months, and it goes in spurts. It starts growing, and then it goes through little pauses, and then it starts growing again. But I'm going to try to put out more, 2 to 3 videos every day to not only grow my channel, but also to inspire you to maybe start your own business, but also to inspire you to grow your own food. See that over my shoulder? That's a design of a property over in Roberts. No, that one's in Ladysmith, Wisconsin, that I drove. It's about 3.5 hours away, that I did last fall or last summer. Well, it's been about a year. But that is a design from one of my clients, and we can transform your lawn into a beautiful, self-sustainable, low-maintenance food forest or edible landscape, whatever you want to call it. And you can have food growing on your land or your property, your backyard, for years to come. And this is not a garden, folks. This is a food forest. And I'll have some more videos coming out here in the next day or two that will explain more about what a food forest is, or what permaculture is. Because a lot of people don't understand what permaculture is, but once they do, the light bulb goes off in their head, and then their mind really starts going and lets them imagine what their space is going to look like. But give me a call, or visit my website at foodforestdesignminnesota.com, and that is Minnesota spelt out, or MN. Either way, it's going to my website. And give me a follow here, and you can find me on Facebook by the same, Food Forest Design Minnesota, or Instagram, Food Forest Design Minnesota. And you can't miss, I'm the only guy with this haircut that you will see doing permaculture in the state of Minnesota. And well, there you go, my friends. Grow food, not lawns. Talk to you soon.